Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best bleach alternative is probably one of the most sought-after cleaning solutions for eco-conscious consumers, offering a powerful yet gentle way to brighten whites and tackle tough stains without the harsh chemicals found in traditional bleach. If you're looking to maintain the pristine appearance of your laundry while minimizing your environmental impact and protecting sensitive skin, then exploring these innovative alternatives is a must for achieving brilliantly clean clothes with peace of mind. Number 5. Smart Sheep XL Wool Dryer Balls, 6-pack. Tired of harsh chemicals in your laundry? Discover a natural way to soften your fabrics. These wool dryer balls are the perfect solution. Experience the difference with our award-winning design. They are crafted for superior performance in every load. Say goodbye to wasteful dryer sheets. These reusable wool balls effectively replace them, saving you money and reducing waste. Keep your clothes soft and static-free without damage. They are gentle on all types of fabrics, extending their lifespan. Make a sustainable choice for your laundry routine. Using these helps reduce energy consumption and environmental impact. Our extra-large size ensures maximum efficiency in your dryer. They help separate clothes, allowing for better airflow and faster drying times. What we like? Looking for a natural way to soften your clothes and reduce static? These wool dryer balls are a fantastic eco-friendly alternative to traditional dryer sheets. If you want to cut down on drying time and avoid harsh chemicals, these are a great choice for your laundry routine. What people say? They do make a little sound in the dryer, but that is to be expected. In terms of drying time, they have significantly reduced the drying time of most of my clothes and items, while also effectively reducing static, comparable to the effect of a dryer sheet. I use them for sheets because they help to reduce the wadding effect that many dryers have with sheets. I'm less likely to find my sheets in a wad at the bottom of the drum, still damp, when I use these. So you could call them energy savers as well, since in my case, I can often get away with one dryer cycle now with sheets instead of 2 or more cycles. Your clothes come out soft and wrinkle-free. They are absolutely wonderful. Number 4. Tide to Go Instant Stain Remover Pen, 3 count. Accidents happen, but stains don't have to ruin your day. Tide to Go is here to help you tackle fresh stains on the spot. This portable pen is your secret weapon against spills and spots. Keep it in your car, purse, or office for quick touch-ups. Don't let a little spill slow you down. Its powerful cleaning solution works instantly to lift away common stains like coffee, wine, and more. Designed for life on the go, this compact cleaner fits easily into any bag. It's the perfect travel companion for busy individuals. This pack includes 3 pens, ensuring you always have one ready when you need it most. Enjoy peace of mind with this convenient multi-pack. What we like? Need to tackle unexpected spills on the go? This instant stain remover pen is your best friend for quick fixes. If you're always on the move and want a discreet way to handle fresh stains without a full wash, this portable solution is perfect for you. What people say? They are inexpensive, good quality, and you get a good amount of formula in each pen. I've never had a pen dry up on me, and I've kept some of my pens for at least 6 months. I've never noticed any scent left by the Tide pens, and you don't have to press down too hard to get the product out. These pens have saved so many of my work outfits from coffee stains and t-shirts from ramen spills. I've used them on my pillows, couch, blankets, pretty much everything besides anything that is made from a knit material or my rugs. These Tide to Go pens are very handy and easy to take anywhere, making them perfect for travel or on-the-go use. They do help reduce stains, but keep in mind that results aren't instant. Some stains may require multiple applications or follow-up washing. Overall, they're a convenient tool to have for emergencies, and they work best when used quickly after a spill. Number 3. Enzyme Laundry Booster Odor Remover, 2 pounds. Tired of stubborn stains and lingering odors? Our powerful formula is designed to tackle even the toughest messes in your laundry. Enjoy a truly clean scent without artificial fragrances. This unscented powder uses natural, bioactive enzymes to break down odors and stains effectively. From sweat and oil to blood, this enzymatic cleaner penetrates deep to eliminate unsightly marks. It's the perfect additive to your regular detergent. Don't just mask odors, eliminate them. Our natural deodorizer works with bioactive enzymes to neutralize smells, leaving your clothes fresh. With 64 loads in every container, you get long-lasting power. Just add it to your wash for a superior clean every time. This detergent additive is tough on stains and odors but gentle on fabrics. Experience a new level of clean for all your laundry needs. What we like. Struggling with persistent odors and stubborn stains like sweat or oil? This Enzyme laundry booster is designed to break down tough organic matter. If you need an unscented, natural solution to supercharge your regular detergent and eliminate lingering smells, this is the product for your active lifestyle. What people say. Didn't fade my clothes, got all the sweat deodorant buildup off. Clothes feel clean and fresh, no more sweat stains or stink halfway through the day. It comes with a pre-measure scoop and is so easy to put into the washer when the water is filling before adding the clothes. It is fragrance-free and makes what used to be crusty laundry soft again. It dissolves easily and hasn't ruined any clothing, hasn't irritated anyone in my family's skin including my 8-month-old. I use 1 scoop per load so it lasts a fairly long time and it completely destroys even the strongest teenage funk. Number 2. AspenClean Unscented Oxygen Bleach Powder. Discover a revolutionary way to tackle tough stains. Our unscented oxygen bleach powder offers a powerful, color-safe solution for your laundry needs. Tired of harsh chemicals? This is a bleach alternative that's gentle on fabrics and your skin. It's the perfect choice for a healthier home. Rest assured, it's EWG verified and hypoallergenic. This means it's formulated with your well-being in mind, free from unnecessary irritants. Experience effective stain removal without the worry of toxic ingredients. Our non-toxic formula keeps your clothes clean and your conscience clear. 1 container provides up to 45 loads of brilliant cleaning power. Get more washes and enjoy a fresher, brighter wardrobe. Choose AspenClean for a naturally clean home. It's the effective, safe, and conscious choice for all your laundry challenges. What we like. Seeking a safe and effective way to brighten whites and remove stains without harsh chemicals? This unscented oxygen bleach powder is a fantastic alternative that's gentle on fabrics and the environment. If you prioritize non-toxic, hypoallergenic, and EWG-verified products for your family's laundry, this is an excellent option. What people say. It got rid of all of the yellow stain. And even though the water slowly moved to the rest of the green part of the hat that wasn't in the bowl, it didn't discolor or stain the hat. Gets out things like paint and grease from your laundry. This really works on removing stains and brightening laundry. I've seen a real difference and would definitely recommend it. Number 1. Puracy Travel and Laundry Stain Remover. Introducing Puracy's versatile stain remover, perfect for tackling tough stains wherever life takes you. Its powerful formula works effectively on various fabrics and messes. Designed with care, this cleaner is gentle on clothes and baby essentials, yet tough on stains like oil and everyday spills. You can trust it for all your laundry needs. Keep your little one's clothes pristine and your family's fabrics looking their best. It's an essential for busy parents dealing with kid-related messes. This travel-sized spray is your go-to solution for quick cleanups. Its convenient design makes it easy to use anytime, anywhere. Achieve spotless results with this effective spot cleaner. It's formulated to lift stains without damaging your favorite garments. This generous 48 fluid ounces bottle ensures you have plenty of powerful stain-fighting solution. It's an economical choice for long-term use. What we like. Dealing with a variety of stains, from baby food to everyday spills? This versatile stain remover spray is formulated to be tough on messes but gentle on all fabrics. If you need a reliable, all-purpose cleaner that's safe for delicate items and baby clothes, this is the spray you've been looking for. What people say. This actually works on all sorts of spots on my couch. Does not stain, it smells good, dries really fast, and very easy to use. This stuff is magic. It gets out all stains out, even the hard ones. I use it for spot treating and getting urine smell out since it has enzymes. It's a very versatile product. It lifts out stains that other cleaners leave behind, yet still treats fabrics gently. Long-lasting, I've stuck with it because it works, year after year. Effective on stubborn stains that tend to set in. Doesn't damage or fade the fabric. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.